Human papillomavirus, commonly known as HPV, is a common viral infection of the reproductive tract, causing cervical cancer, vulvar cancer, vaginal cancer, anal cancer, and genital warts. Did you know every 5 minutes, nearly one patient dies of HPV-related cancer in India? Cervical cancer is the second most common cancer in Indian women aged 15 to 44 years after breast cancer. Now let's understand the progression of HPV. In adolescence, HPV infection may usually clear spontaneously within 6 months. But HPV infection peaks from 15 to 25 years, which may persist and can convert into pre-cancer stage. If left untreated, this may progress to cervical cancer over a period of 20 or more years. But did you know that their journey could be quite different with HPV prevention, including vaccination? Help prevent your child and yourself from HPV infection and certain HPV-related cancers with HPV prevention, including HPV vaccination. Clinical studies demonstrated that early vaccination before she turns 15 may help to provide 2 times better immune response against HPV infection, which peaks from 15 to 25 years. Why wait? Consult your doctor for HPV prevention, including vaccination. In case one misses to take the vaccine at 15, it's not too late, since HPV infection peaks at one of the most productive periods of a woman's life between 15 and 25 years. More than 90% of women in the reproductive phase may still benefit from HPV vaccination. Also, when it comes to preventing the progression of infection to pre-cancers, HPV vaccination helps. However, it does not treat existing HPV infections or HPV-related diseases. Why wait? Consult your doctor for HPV prevention, including vaccination. When a woman delivers a baby, she is more vulnerable to HPV infection. Studies demonstrate that nearly 3 out of 10 new mothers may get HPV infection because of compromised cervical lining during delivery. Hence, preventive measures at this stage becomes critical. When we think of preventing progression of pre-cancers to cancers after treatment, HPV vaccination may help. However, it does not treat existing HPV infections or HPV-caused diseases. Do not wait and ask your doctor for the right step of HPV prevention, including vaccination today, which can help prevent her from stepping into danger tomorrow.